So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude is you can go ahead and generate out SVG graphics as well. So I'm going to go ahead and say generate a graphics in SVG format. So I can go ahead and say this because I want a vector format where you have landscape with cars of different colors, trees, and let's say, for example, let me just go ahead and correct this out as well. So I'm just going to go around over here. You can see that I got colors right here in SVG format, where you have landscape with cars of different colors, trees, sky, and sun. Let's say, for example, right here. So once I go ahead and let's say, for example, type this in and hit send, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and generate out a graphics in SVG format. So you can see that I said SVG in specific right here. So you can see that it is starting to generate out graphics. So you can see that as the graphics is being created, you can actually see it right here. So you got the trees right here as well. So you can see that the graphics is not very detailed. It is of simple shapes, but you got a graphics being generated right here, just like this, as you can see. So everything actually you can see is being animated. So you got a little car right here, just like this as well. So it's trying its best to go ahead and code out the graphics as you want. So I got the sun, I got the sky, I got the landscape right here with the mountains, you got the trees, you got the cars, you got the road, as you can see right here. And you can actually see that depending on what I said, it went ahead and generated out the graphics right here. So now what you can also do is you can go around over here and click on download file right here. And then when you download it, you can see that you have an option to save it as a SVG document. So once you go ahead and do that and open up, this is what you have. So now let me just go around over here, and then you can see that this is the SVG graphics that I have. So since this is an SVG graphics, I can go ahead and then open it out with any SVG editor as well. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and open it up using Affinity Designer right here. And then what it will do is it'll go ahead and open it in the designer. So you can see that it is loading right here, just like this. And in a while, you can see that it loads up this file right here. And you can see that these are actual layers in vector graphics that I can go ahead and edit it out further. So if you want to design graphics as well, this is how you can go ahead and generate out SVG graphics as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.